I get a lot of "that's the best salad I've ever had," you know, or "that's the best chicken I've ever had in my life." They say they compare it to chickens in their life or salads in their life. That's a lot of salads. At Holiday House, we sort of went for a kind of a Mediterranean, the Hamptons kind of country club feel. We're not in the business of turning and burning tables. No, here it's more about the whole experience, and I want you to relax and feel like you're at a friend's house. Here inside the barn kitchen, inside the Sparrow's Lodge, our menu sort of reflects the atmosphere. So it's sort of adult camping, glamping. We have communal style dining. It's prefixed, right? So nobody has any idea what they're having for dinner that night. And it's just a beautiful setting with a mix of local people staying here from all over the country, all over the world. I try not to make it a themed night, right? So it's not like a luau night or anything like that, but I do try to keep the cuisines kind of in order, right? So if I'm doing gnocchi, then the vegetable will kind of have an Italian seasoning. It goes with the season. So throughout the year, you'll see seasonal ingredients getting flipped. Anything else, as you can see here at Sparrow's, there's ingredients all over. We do try to keep the cuisine simple here and rustic looking, but I kind of am cheating people when I say it's simplicity, because it looks simple and it is simple for ingredients, but maybe that one of those ingredients, maybe that vinegar I made, and it took maybe 3 months to get it right where I wanted it. There's something about working together with a group of people to create memories more than just to feed somebody.